Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create a glass blur effect in your Elementor WordPress website. This one is my demo website. Now let me go in website dashboard and here in website pages. Now let me open a test page. This one, click on edit with Elementor. Now Elementor page builder is loading. Here we can add a new container, and now I want to add some elements in this container. So I want to add one more container, then add a new container. Here I want to add a heading element, then let me align it in the center. Here I want to add some text. This one, drag it here. Now let me add a background image. You can upload background image from your laptop. So let me select one of the image, this one. And now let me increase the height. And then align the text at the middle, this one. So now I want to add a background for this element. Black, and then let me do it transparent, and then add padding from the top and bottom. Okay, so now I need to change this one, text color, style, and then text color should be white. In order to add custom CSS, make sure that you have installed Elementor Pro plugin. Now let me go back here and go to advanced, then scroll down, click here custom CSS, and here we can add 2 lines of code. Selector, add these brackets, backdrop filter, blur, px. Now here you can see this one is the blurring effect that you can easily add by adding these 2 lines of code.